drill thing with the little 50mm, and you can focus on these small dags here and taper them out a little bit. We've got a pure ply finish here. We just need to give that a light sand so the pure ply finish texture goes away. It's not sticky now, but if you sand it, it clogs the sandpaper up.
Going from sanding bulk to sanding fiberglass.
So you're getting the cardboard ready for the next bit of templating?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so plan is you're going to get that all prepped. Then it goes in here. And then this is quartzite floor. Continuing on with floors. Infuse this morning. Oliver's been briefed. Harrison's hopefully getting some bog ready to put on what Oliver sands. And Aiden is getting ready to template the next part of the floor. Oh, this looks complicated, Ollie. What have you got on?
This has got to be the straightest ruler I've ever used.
Alright, what are you ruling?
Makes a good euro. So what I'm doing is drawing lines, but I don't have a pencil.
This is, underneath here, we're running out of space quickly. That is the floor that Shane made up yesterday. So he infused the floor around the hatch yesterday. Got the oven going, which is good because it's so wet outside. Righto. Now have I shown you the floor? This is the floor that went in. And that is that floor that's upstairs cooking is this floor here now. So we're going to do it in sections because to get around that dagger board case is tricky. So Aiden and, well, I think Aiden's been templating up all of that, shaping it so that Shane can infuse stuff. Ollie has been doing, he's done a fair bit of sanding there, just getting off the lumpy bumpy bits so that we can put some bog on it. So he can continue on with that I think tomorrow, but for today Shane needs this space clear so he can put floor in. That'll be nice.
Apparently not. Apparently I'm not sanding in that room because Dad needs a sander and vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, no, you don't need to be in there today. That's why you're doing this job. Oh, and there's the table moving. So what Harry's doing is he's now marking out on this side around the centerboard case, dagger board case. Sorry, I can't believe you didn't correct me then, Harry. And yeah, because we want it to go, I don't know, it's a bit dark there, but we want it to go all the way around and be a perfect fit for Shane to laminate in the new floor. Which floor is this, Aiden?
This is the midships floor. This is the forward part.
Oh, so this is the part where Harry's working at the moment?
Yeah. Yep.
Except on the wing side.
Except it's on the port side.
Oh, okay, so this is the other section.
Yeah, I need to make a template for the part of the floor he's currently working on.
Okay. And so that all those little bits of cardboard that you stuck on with the hot glue gun the other day, they're just the extension. You just put them on to the old floor so that it looks like how you want the new one to go.
I don't put it onto the old floor. I get the larger pieces of cardboard and lay them down.
And then just put
the extensions on it.
Extensions.
So it gets the shape we want it to. Because the old floors, they don't fit perfectly. There's a little bit of a gap. This here eliminates the gap. This is why Dad is so adamant that I do it this way.
And Ollie is drawing lines.
With bendy rulers.
Alright, Ollie, this is yours?
Oh, I drilled it.
You drilled all of the holes in it, so that's ready to be infused?
No.
No?
It's got to be all cut out.
Oh, we've got to cut this out. Yeah, so we're going to cut out the hatch and then infuse the hatch. So it's a little bit of rinse and repeat at the moment, isn't it?
Lots.
It's kids template the floor. Well, Aiden usually is templating the floor, the next section of floor. Then cut it out on the 20mm foam. or mark it out on the 20mm foam, excuse me. Then mark all of the holes sections to drill holes through. So this is to help with oh, you missed a couple, Oliver.
Did I?
Yeah, there's a couple there you've missed. Yeah, to allow the resin transfer when it's infused. Next step would then be to cut out the hatch, and then Shane will actually infuse the hatch first, which you have already seen in previous videos. And then once that hatch is infused and sanded and to a final stage, it is then covered and puts that little bit of silicone around the outside of the hatch again, puts it back into the floor as a plug, and then we can infuse the entire floor with the hatch in it, so that it's got a glass base that you can sit on with the lid for the floor. So it has been kids prepping to this sort of stage ready, and then helping Shane infuse, and then while he's doing that, they're getting the next part of the floor ready. So we are now at the stage where we have done base of the stairs, our bedroom, Harry's room, and we're now working on both sides. Oliver's room, and you make sure you've got the thing, you're not making a hole in the table. Okay, so, but we have been having a bit of an issue with the temporary laminating table. It's getting, is the issue leaks, Shane?
Air leaks.
Air leaks through it, so it's plywood. We have tried to seal the ply. Shane has done envelope bagging on it to improve it. We have put a layer of like a vinyl sticky back under the Teflon to try and help. Like, it's not, it's sort of working, but it's not great. So the plan now is that we will use some 20mm foam and actually make up a laminating table, which we can then cut to size for our saloon table and stuff a little bit further down the track. So I guess that's the job now, isn't it? Are you gonna we're just gonna put this aside for the time being while we look at getting a table. Yeah. So, and then hopefully we get the resin that we've ordered. We've been doing a bit of stuff with Easy Composites, haven't we, Shane? And they've been fantastic at getting stuff to us here in Spain. But we've got another supplier that we have been using for a few other things, and they're just horrendous. So it's a pity we can't get everything from that Easy Composites, isn't it? Yeah. And then we'd be sweet as, because their sort of sales service and things is brilliant. But we are going to use them hopefully for some cool stuff for the flooring, but we'll get to that at a later stage. All right then, let's try and do floors while everyone's sort of thrilled. It's cold and rainy and nobody wants to be working on Paikea. Okay, so we're going to try and make a laminating table, which potentially will be our saloon or galley table or something at some point in the future. So we've got as much of the scrap 20mm foam as we can find, and we're just going to try and piece it all together. Put it on time lapse for you. Think it's going to work?
Yeah, it should work this time. At least we've got a non-porous base. If we got them last time, we knew it would be marginal. But yeah. They didn't get away with it.
Well, you sort of did. This floor's down. We're just going to upgrade your floors a little bit more now, Shane Young.